Good morning, all of you. Greeting from VNR VJEC. This is Manohar Reddy, Department of Cybersecurity and Data Science. Today, I am going to discuss about the concept of role of artificial intelligence in cybersecurity. In the field of cybersecurity, how an AI plays an important role and how the AI plays different roles in the cybersecurity field. So here, enhancing threat detection and responses. So how the AI performs the different roles in threat detection and giving the responses for the threats is we are going to discuss in the field of cybersecurity. So here, the next, the cybersecurity landscape. So the main focus of AI is to understand the human instructions and understand the tasks, automate the tasks, problem solving skills depending upon the cybersecurity threats. So here the cybersecurity is nothing but the protection of our systems, networks and data as well as. So how we are going to protecting all them and how we are going to monitor the systems, monitor the data performance and monitor the different things. So in the field of cybersecurity, how AI will process the performance and how the AI will takes the responsibility to automate the tasks on cybersecurity. So the first one, evolving threats. So here, how the threat is occur in the cybersecurity field. That means in the systems, in the data. So the AI process, the automates the tasks to find out the threat detections and giving the responses for the threats. So identifying the threats as well as the giving the responses for the threats. So after identifying the threats, it categorizes the threat is a high risk threat or highly risk threat or medium risk threat. So the increasing the complexity and the frequency of the threats, it has been identified. And the second one, traditional limitations. So different methods, reactive methods, proactive methods, and based upon the identification of the threats, it gives the defensive techniques. So it gives the defensive techniques on both reactive way as well as proactive way. So depending upon the AI tool in the field of cybersecurity, it performs both the reactive way as well as proactive way. So in the reactive way, it identifies the threats first, then performs the reactive mechanisms. In the proactive mechanisms, the automate the tasks have been identified the threats, automatically it gives the proactive responses. And the need for intelligence. So in this, it is adaptive for all the new types of threats as well as new type of risks also. So it identifies all the new type of threats, new type of viruses, new type of risks and performs proactive systems are required, performs proactive measures to identify them all, performance proactive measures to identify them all. So understanding AI in the field of cybersecurity. So what exactly the AI can do in the field of cybersecurity? So we all know that the artificial intelligence is taking the human instructions and perform the promptive techniques. That means mimic the human cognitions. So where it can work and what the technologies or what algorithms that they have been taken to identify the different things in the field of cybersecurity. So here the machine learning techniques, the AI can understand the human instructions or human cognitive skills, human cognition skills based upon the different types of algorithms like machine learning algorithms, natural language processing algorithms, deep learning algorithms. So LLMs, like that, different types of languages, different types of algorithms, all they can understand and they can provide the problem solving skills or provide the human related queries. And here the data driven decisions also, it is taken by the artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence plays an emerging role in the field of cybersecurity also, because it understands all the human readable instructions, human readable problems, human giving the questions, human giving the cognitive skills, all It understands and it provides the solutions, it provides the problem solving skills, it provides the decisions to the user point of view, to the user understandable point of view, where the user is required to choose the solution. So in this field, we have to understand the AI performs in different aspects in the field of cybersecurity. What is the impact on cybersecurity? Is that both are relatable or not, and where, if it is relatable, where that impact will occur in the field of cybersecurity? The first thing is real-time detection. Real-time detection. So, when it comes to the cybersecurity, we have to monitor the system. We have to monitor the data always. That is not possible by the humans, but it is possible by the AI, because it works for the cybersecurity 24 into 7. So in that case, it provides the real-time detection. So identifying the threats instantly based upon the algorithms provide the dictionary of the different threats. It identifies all the types of threats. It identifies all types of threats that understandable by the AI algorithms or machine algorithms, and identifying the real-time threats. And the second one is behavioral analysis. Behavioral analysis. It continuously monitor the systems and continuously monitor the system patterns as well. So how the user is performing different activities, different roles on the system, as well as how the systems will be patternized in the field of cybersecurity. So it identifies the behavior of the system, how it is going to be monitor or performing all the tasks in a day in a 24/7. And the task automation is one of the major role. So all tasks are automated by the AI. So they are streamlining the routine security operations also. So wherever the threats have been identified, it performs automatically a security operation. It gives an alerts through the security operation centers. SOCs are maintained and SOCs are automated for this all the tasks. And the threat intelligence. So AI powered insights and predictions. So AI powered insights and predictions. So always AI can understand the next predictions what the human is giving to the questions or queries. So based on the human cognitive skills, AI can have a step forward to give the perfect solutions to the users. Perfect solutions to the users' queries or user problems. The key AI applications in cybersecurity. So AI applications in cybersecurity, where the AI plays an emerging role in the field of cybersecurity means, the first one is intrusion detections. So intrusion detection. So advanced IDS capabilities. So intrusion detection system, firewalls, IDS, IPS, all these advanced capabilities are built up in the AI algorithms, built up in the machine learning algorithms. So because of that only, artificial intelligence automate all the tasks and identify the threats automatically itself. And the second one is email security. So filtering the number of emails. So what are the phishing mails, what are the spam mails, what are the inbox mails. So out of all them, by automating the AI techniques, by automating the machine learning techniques, it provides the email security, which identifies both phishing mails as well as spam mails. So by detecting them all, by automating them all to avoid them all, they are maintaining some security for the emails as well as. And third one, malware predictions. So malware predictions, whenever you have downloaded some executable files from the internet source, it predicts that the file has been downloaded by you is a malware or not. If it is malware, if it is in the case of malware, then it provides a proactive defenses against the threats. So basically, as we are the users, we have to download the files from the trusted sources, not from the untrusted sources. So even though if you are doing that the same thing, that malware prediction can be done by this AI, because of that AI performs automation of the tasks. And network anomalies detect unusual traffic patterns also. So based upon the denial of service attacks, based upon the different network anomalies, it identifies them and it detect unusual traffic patterns. So it identifies the system behavior based on the system patterns, as well as it identifies the network patterns based upon the unusual traffic patterns. So in these all fields like intrusion detection, email security process, malware predictions, and network anomalies predictions, AI plays an important role in the field of cybersecurity. And what are the benefits of AI in cybersecurity? So by integrating all AI techniques, AI tools in the field of cybersecurity, what the user can able to satisfied. So here the first one, faster identification. Anyway, the threats or monitoring purpose or task identification purpose. Anyway, the AI, because of the automative nature, because of the automative task capabilities, it identifies the faster way. It identifies the faster way, faster identification, a rapid and accurate threat detection. So it identifies the threat exactly, automatically. The 99.98% accuracy will be having, and reducing errors also, because of the human behavior, because of the human tolerance capabilities. Human can do mistakes, but the machine learning, but AI techniques, AI minimizes the human mistakes and workload also. But as a human, we have to give the correct instructions to the AI, so that the AI can understand the human instructions, as well as and performs the automative techniques, automative tasks. So because of that only, we can say that it minimizes the human mistakes or workload. If automatically minimize the workload, then automatically minimize the human mistakes also. And continuously learning, so it as an AI adaptive for the new algorithms, adaptive for the new techniques, it takes all the dictionary words, all the dictionary capabilities, and it is maintaining the adaptive and vigilant monitoring purpose. So continuously it monitors, and continuously it identifies, continuously it detects, and continuously it gives the responses also. So for this purpose, it continuously, the main benefit of this AI tools, continuously learning for the adaptive techniques and vigilant purpose. And the scalability, it processes vast data. It the human can able to create a file. Say human can able to identify the file detections within the minutes or within the hours, but it AI provides a scalable in nature. It provides a scalable in nature. It identifies, it processes vast amount of data. So when you have given the multiple files also, you can, it performs, it identifies the threat detections, it identifies the risks within the span of a couple of seconds only. So these are the benefits of AI in cybersecurity. So the main benefits are, it identify whatever the things it is identified by the AI is very faster than the human does, and reducing the errors, as because of the human do mistakes, or human do have more workload, human do mistakes. And continuously learning, human also adaptable to learning the different capabilities, but AI always being ahead to adapting for the all different type of technologies. And scalable, it takes a lot of data, it performs threat detections, it giving the responses for all the different types of data in the large way, in the vast amount of data. What are the challenges and the risks of AI? So in the field of cybersecurity, AI have different types of benefits, different types of key applications. But apart from that, despite of all these advantages, it provides some challenges also. It has some challenges also. So in that first case, adversarial attacks. So targeting AI models directly. If the trained models, if the models are not trained in the AI, that may not be reach the target of identifying the threats, or identifying the risks, and understanding the risk management process. And the second one, false alerts. If the models are not properly configured, models are not properly directed, then the giving alerts are maybe the false positive, maybe the false things. So positives or negatives in detections maybe occur. So some alerts may not be detected in all the cases, some that negatives may be detected. the training bias. So skewed data impacts performance. So some data, the trained models can give the correct results, and not trained models cannot be give the accuracy results. So in that cases, the data impacts provide some performance issues also. And the high cost, so significant initial investment. That means to use that AI tools, you need to provide subscription based, or you need to use the tools with the minimum amount of time, minimum amount of amount. So that in the case of that, the AI have some high cost of environment to purchase that AI tools. So because of these challenges or risks, somewhere the human have participated in the different fields to identifying them. But compare with the humans, AI can process automative the tasks, as well as performance wise, it provides a different things in the field of cybersecurity. So based on the advantages and applications, we can say that AI plays an emerging role, or AI plays a better role to identifying the threats as well as the risks in the cybersecurity. And finally, I'm going to conclude this from this topic. AI is a transformative. It revolutionizing the cybersecurity strategies. So, in till now, with the human interactions are more important for the identifying cybersecurity based upon the cybersecurity tools. Now, the cybersecurity tools are also AI tools. So, because of this, AI is transformative. It provides so revolutionary techniques in the field of cybersecurity. And the hybrid model key. So AI plus human both can work together. They can get different optimal solutions, as well as they can get better solutions for the cybersecurity field. And future systems more autonomous, self-healing security also. So in the because of the rapidly increase of AI techniques and tools, it provides more self-healing security patterns in the field of cybersecurity. So this is about AI role in cybersecurity. So the main thing what we discussed from this session is what is AI and what is cybersecurity. So what is this cybersecurity landscape in the field of AI? So based for threat purpose, for limitation defensive purpose, and for intelligence purpose, we are using AI in the cybersecurity. So here how the AI can understand to deep dive into the cybersecurity means the main AI can provide with the different types of machine learning techniques, NLP techniques, deep learning techniques, and all. So AI impact on cybersecurity for mainly real-time detection purpose, and behavioral analysis purpose, and automating the tasks purpose, and threat intelligence report purpose. These are the key applications: intrusion detection, and providing the security for the email and malware prediction purpose, and the different types of network anomalies detection purpose we can use. And the benefits of AI in cybersecurity, because of that AI having that nature, automating the nature, it identifies the fast way threat detections, and reducing the errors also, and continuous learnings also, adaptive to new technologies and new algorithms for the new dictionary words also. And scalable, it identifies the maximum number of data it has to handle. It have the capability to handle the vast amount of data. And the challenges, however, the human and AI can work together. They have some challenges: adversarial attacks and false alerts. Sometimes it gives the false alerts because of the human, instructions are not properly readily, then automative task may be also having the false alerts. So training based and high cost based. And finally, I'm going to conclude this. AI is a transformative nature in the field of cybersecurity for revolutionizing different cybersecurity strategies. And AI and human work together, they can provide optimal solutions and better solutions in the field of cybersecurity, threat detection purpose, and future systems more autonomous, self-healing security purpose also they can give. Thank you all.
Like, share, comment, and subscribe VNR Digital Learning Resource YouTube channel.